food that we're going to have is going to be strong in nutrients. So therefore, our children are going to benefit from that. And therefore, there won't be no birth effects or no side effects or whatever effects you can think about. That's all going to be done away with, man. And the reason why you have pretty much people that have deformities, okay, and other things of that nature, or they have mental problems because we're at our lower estate. And it was because what? Death entered into the world. Okay? Go on, brother. But that's all going to change now. Go on.
For behold, I create new heavens and a new earth, and the former shall not be remembered.
So what does it mean that he's going to make or create a new heavens and a new earth? Does it mean he's going to destroy this planet and create another planet? That don't make no damn sense, man. Come on. Let's get Ecclesiastes 1.
That means God made a mistake.
Right.
He said God formed it to be inhabited.
Right.
According to Isaiah 45 verse 17.
Okay. Well, if you can, brother, if you want, you can give me that too.
Ecclesiastes 1 and 4.
Come on.
One generation passeth away, and another generation cometh.
Right.
But the earth abideth forever.
And it says that the earth abideth forever. I'll tell you what, hold that. Give me Ecclesiastes 3 verse 14. That's what we got to understand. The Lord, everything that the Lord did, or what the Lord performed in the past, is done forever. So go on.
Ecclesiastes 4 and 14. I know that whatsoever God doeth, it shall be forever.
It shall be forever. So this world, this earth, and the air that we breathe in, the oxygen which gives life and vitality, right? Which is the same thing, right? It cannot be distorted. It cannot be put away. So although Esau is doing this thing to try to pervert that which the Lord created, it's not going anywhere. Okay? All of this is here to stay. Esau is doing this thing just so he can fulfill prophecy, and also at the end the Lord can show his level of might and our majesty, man. Okay? Esau ain't doing a goddamn thing. Yeah, so that's it on that. So yeah, give me what you got, brother.
So Isaiah 45 verse 18. But thus saith Yahweh that created the heavens, God himself that formed the earth and made it.
Yahweh himself that formed the earth and made it. Meaning he was the architect. He wrote it down, but then we created it. Okay? Go on.
It says, he have established it. He created it not in vain.
He created it not in vain. So he didn't create the earth in just worthlessness to where he can destroy it and then do away with it. No. It was formed so that we can experience life and it could be inhabited. That's why the earth was created, and we're going to experience life and we're going to experience beauty on a whole entire level.
Come on, brother. I'm not going to sleep tonight, brother. Come on.
Heaven, man.
Beautiful words, brother. Beautiful.
That's what we're going to experience. And we're going to be to look at ourselves in the mirror and see how beautiful we are, man. We're going to say to ourselves, man, the Most High must love us, man. Okay? That's the way it's going to be. And we're going to, hey, you're going to be sleeping, you're going to be sleeping with your woman, and you're going to look at your woman, you're going to be like, damn, man. The Most High done bless you with a beautiful woman, man. So everything you look at is going to be beautiful. Your whole surroundings is going to be beautiful. You understand what I'm saying? And when you sleep and it's nighttime, guess what? You're going to be looking towards getting up early in the morning and looking towards living life. That's right. That's how bad it's going to be in the kingdom, man. Go on, bro.
We're going to see into space, man. Just by standing. To the stars, deep into the cosmos.
Can I say something? I'll be back in a minute.
You know what I mean? And it's also beautiful, man, being around the brotherhood, man. It's a beautiful thing. But it's going to be more so beautiful when we all see eye to eye. Because you got brothers scattered all into the four winds of the earth, teaching the same gospel, teaching the same truth. Go on, brother.
He created it not in vain. He formed it to be inhabited. I am Yahweh, and there is none else.
Exactly. So this earth is going to stay right here. So when people say, look, the Lord is going to destroy the entire earth, they don't even know what they're talking about, because they're not no prophets. Okay, and the Lord ain't rocking with them like that. The Lord is rocking with the men of the Lord who you see in live and direct on the streets. Okay, that's who we are, man. We're not pretending to be men of the Lord. We're not fronting like we're the men of the Lord. We are the men of the Lord.
That's right.
Okay, we put our lives on the line every single week to do this work, which we don't mind, because we know that this work is going to lead to our reward, like it led to Yahweh Shai. Like Yahweh Shai got his reward. Okay. So with that, we're gonna close out. First and foremost, gotta give all praises and glory
To Yahweh, Hashem, Yahushai, Hashem, Ruach Kodash.
Wadash. And that's it, we're gonna close out. And you brothers out there, you stay strong, man. Don't give up the fight. Keep the fight.
Nice, brother. Nice,
Shalom.
nice. Shalom.